Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of mine. If you guys are new, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. Another thing that I really wanted to talk about really quick is do not forget to follow me on my social media. You guys can always message me, ask me questions, or just talk to me and be friends with me. I have no friends, I'm lonely. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to get through really quick before we get started. Today's video is really short and actually really easy. You're actually only going to need two things, and they're something that you can all access, which is really nice. But the first tool that we're going to need is a razor. You can find these at Walgreens, you can get them at Walmart. I picked mine up from Walgreens because that's where I found them, but I've seen them I think at Walmart. You could probably even find them at the dollar store or something. They're only like $2 or something, or I think it was like $3 for like a pack of 3 or a pack of 2 or something. So they're really cheap, but what they are is like these little handles, and on the edge, let's see if it will focus for you guys. Oh, my eyebrow itches. Focus. There we go. Mine's kind of a little dirty. It's a little old. I think I should have to update my razor, but this is what it looks like. Super accessible for pretty much anybody. Let me get myself back into focus here. So yeah, that's all you'll need, and a mirror so you guys can see what you guys are shaving off. But I thought I would do this really quick while I didn't have any makeup on. I did just wax my eyebrows myself and filled them in, but other than that I have nothing. But eventually I'm going to put some concealer and a little bit of makeup on, but I really wanted to do this first before I put any makeup on, because I didn't want to like have a bunch of foundation and powder and stuff on and like scrape off my makeup. But what we're going to be working on today on my face is my sideburns. I get quite a bit of hair like right in this area on both sides, and I hate it. But you can even use these like down the middle of your eyebrows, if you have something like on your chin or something. Like, they literally are just like a little tool to help remove hair, maybe like in between waxing and stuff. You can wax right here if you wanted to get that done. I can do it myself on myself, but I really like this because when you're scraping, I don't want to say scraping, it sounds like you're damaging your skin, but you're not. Think of it as kind of like microblading, I think they call it. No, is that eyebrows? Don't listen to me, I don't know. Anyway, what you're going to do is literally just gently glide this against your skin to take off the hair. This actually helps your makeup even look more flawless and smooth, because you have a smooth base and you don't have any like texture or anything underneath of it. So when you have facial hair, sometimes that can create like a weird texture and make your foundation or your makeup look off. So I found that doing this makes your makeup even better. So starting with the next tool that you'll need is just a mirror. Like I said, I'm just having this little handheld. Well, it's not handheld, it's not little, but it's gonna help me see, and I'll zoom you guys in while we do this too. My allergies are so bad, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in as I do this so you guys can see and focus, you guys. But literally all I'm doing is gently gliding this. And you see all that hair coming off? It's amazing. Your face might get a little bit red, but that's normal. And I am just going to wipe that hair off. And you can take this as high up as you want to. I'm probably going to take it up a little bit higher up on my sideburns, so like you could. I might take it up even more just because I feel like this looks like a little tail or something. And this is bad because I'm not even using a mirror. I'm just using my camera. So if I looked F up later, I know why. But it's awesome because look at that. You don't look like a man anymore. And I tend to have hair even like behind my ear a little bit. I wonder if I can get anything. Nope. But it just looks so much better after you do that. And I have some on this side too. I may not be able to get this side very well to show you guys, but you guys get the point. That's all you do. That's all you need is this little razor. And you could even come up and just get the hairs that you don't want. And that's it. So that is literally it for removing your sideburns or removing the hair on your face. It is so easy and it's cheap and affordable, but that is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this and enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you guys liked it. And without blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. And that was pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this little tip and trick, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every single week. And you guys can click the notification bell and I'll let you guys know every time I upload a video. My allergies, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm good. But other than that, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It just lets me know that you guys enjoyed the video and liked it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.